Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the OTTOCAST OttoScreen AI portable CarPlay screen. You can get this product on Amazon for about $199. Check out the link in the description. The CarPlay screen comes with a stand, a cigarette lighter adapter, an aux cable, a backup camera with a long cable, and a user manual. My first impression is very positive. It seems like this is a good quality product. The stand is very easy to attach and has an adjustment screw in the back. The device has an audio output port, a power input port, a camera input port, and a micro SD card slot. The rear view camera is very easy to install and works pretty good, but my car already has one, so I'm not going to use it. But if you want to use the camera, you just have to plug it in and it works right away. The CarPlay screen is very easy to set up, it only takes a couple of minutes. After starting the car, the device turns on right away. Using the CarPlay screen is very easy and connecting your phone only takes a few seconds. After connecting your phone, you can use it with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This product is designed for cars without built-in screens, and it improves the driving experience in my old car. Thanks to the CarPlay screen, it is easier and more convenient to use maps and play music from my phone. With the AI voice feature, you can use the CarPlay screen without being distracted while driving.
Hey Google, navigate to the nearest Walmart.
I found a few Walmarts nearby. The closest one is Walmart Neighborhood Market, which is 1.8 miles away. And there's also a Walmart Supercenter 2.6 miles away. Would you like to go to one of those or hear more options?
Go to the Supercenter.
Okay, adding Walmart Supercenter as your next stop.
Hey Google, navigate to downtown Flagstaff.
Okay, navigating to downtown Flagstaff.
Hey Google, how's the weather tomorrow in Flagstaff?
In Flagstaff, it'll be sunny with a high of 55 and a low of 35.
Hey Google, call CVS.
Which CVS would you like to call?
Hey Google, play music.
I'm now playing music for you.
Hey Google, skip the track. Hey Google, stop music.
The split screen function works great thanks to the wide design. I tested the CarPlay screen for about 2 weeks and I think it's a great product. If you have an older car without a touchscreen display, it's an affordable way to upgrade your car. So if you are looking for a portable CarPlay screen with AI voice control, split screen function and a camera, I would recommend the OTTOCAST OttoScreen AI portable CarPlay screen. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.